My son purchased the house rent with the option to buy. He paid a down payment, and he paid rent for about 4 months. But after the 4 months, someone came knocking on the door and said that the house was in foreclosure and that they bought the house and they would have to move out. I was just wondering what is their next steps in regards to that situation. And they also went ahead and signed the lease with the new owners, and they went up on the rent, and it need an air conditioner and everything else fixed in the house that wasn't fixed. And my son repaired most of the stuff and the things in the house. I was just wondering, what can they do about this situation?
All right, Geraldine, a lot of good questions. It sounds a little bit complicated. It sounds like somebody bought the house on the courthouse steps in foreclosure and has the right to come and claim possession of it.
Yeah, and unfortunately that's the answer. You know, if you have a rent to own, it's going to be in the contract. Obviously, the owner of the property is no longer a part of that contract since there's a new owner, and they can do that. So it is unfortunate that they can kind of kick you out because of foreclosure, but simply that's it. I mean, there may be a few exceptions there, but that's kind of the gist of it.
Cole, what about that work he did on there? I mean, he might have some kind of claim there.
That's right. If you did some kind of work to the house, if you fixed it up a little bit, you would have a claim for those improvements. So if you spent $1,000 on a new air conditioner, then you can get that $1,000 back on that improvement.